percentage related calculations. Whether you're shopping, investing, or just trying to understand your grades, this skill is super handy, so let's make a start. First, let's understand what a percentage multiplier is. A percentage multiplier is simply the decimal form of a percentage. So to convert a percentage into a multiplier, you divide the percentage by 100. So if we have a simple example of 25%, if we divide that by 100, we get 0.25. The multiplier helps us perform various calculations really easily. Now let's see how we can use that in increasing a number by a certain percentage. So here's a step-by-step process. First, let's convert the percentage into a multiplier. Second, add this multiplier to the number 1. Next, multiply the original number by this new multiplier. So let's use this example. To increase 100 by 20%, first we convert the 20% to a multiplier, so 0.2. Then we add this to 1 to get 1.2. And then we multiply by the original number, so that was 100 times by 1.2 to get 120. So increasing 100 by 20% gives us 120. Now we've got that sorted, let's see how to decrease a number by a percentage. Let's follow these steps. Convert the percentage to a multiplier, subtract this multiplier from 1, multiply the original number by the new multiplier, just as we did before. For example, to decrease 150 by 30%, we convert 30%, which becomes 0.3. Subtract this from 1 and you get 0.7. Then we multiply the original number, 150, by the new multiplier of 0.7, and that will give us 105. So decreasing 150 by 30% gives us 105. Sometimes we need to find the original value before a percentage change has happened. This is sometimes known as reverse percentages. Here's how we're going to do it. We're going to identify the final value and the percentage change. We're going to convert the percentage change to a multiplier. For a decrease, we're going to subtract the percentage from 1, and for an increase, we're going to add the percentage to 1. Divide the final value then by the multiplier. For example, if an item costs £75 after a 25% discount, and we need to find the original price, first convert the 25% to the multiplier 0.25. As this is a decrease, we're going to subtract that from 1 to get 0.75. Then we can divide the £75 by the 0.75 multiplier, and that gives us £100. So the original price was £100. Finally, let's express an amount as a percentage of a whole. Here's the method. Identify the part and the whole. Divide the part by the whole to get a decimal. Multiply by 100 to convert the decimal into a percentage. For example, if you scored 85 out of 100 on a test, you divide the 85 by 100 to get 0.85, and then simply multiply it by 100. And that means you got 85% score in your test. Pretty good going. Now, you know how to use multipliers to increase or decrease percentages. You know how to find their original values and express amounts as percentages. These skills are powerful tools for everyday calculations. So thanks for watching and see you soon.